Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and welcome back to an old school unboxing and sniff test. I was just at Alan's camera, thus why I had a mask on, because I got curbside pickup of what's in this bag. What's in the bag? You may be asking. This is the Nikon D6. It now officially comes in a box that is black with yellow down on the bottom, very similar to what you will see with the ones behind me, right? Right? That's right, let me show you one of those. It matches a Z6 box, which I thought this was just gonna be a mirrorless thing, but it's not just a mirrorless thing. I guess they continued it with the D6, they stuck with the new box. Now, I'm not reviewing this camera today, I'm just unboxing and sniffing it because this is not mine. This is borrowed from Alan's camera. So this would be in the store. If you want to get a D6 or any other gear, head on over to alanscamera.com/Fro. That's my link. Plus it lets them know that I sent you. Let's get into it. This is an expensive body. We know that. It's over $6,500 to get this. This will be the first pro Nikon D-level camera that I do not own since the D2H. I've had every one, D2H, never had the D2HS. That one doesn't count because I was an HS. I had a D2H, D3, D3S, D4, D4S, D5, D, that's it. Let's open it up and see what's in it. I'm gonna be careful because again, it's not mine. I've got to put it all back. You have a D6 strap. So you can think you're all special and all. You have a cable keeper thing that goes on the side, warranty card, and then of course your books. But what we want to really get to, and I'm just keeping this nice and organized, is all of this stuff. I'm going to keep it nice and organized because it all has to go back in as it came out. Beautiful cardboard. Look at this. I wonder if they borrowed this from the D5's box. I wonder, because it's probably the same shape. It looks just like it. Oh. Okay, let's take this out of the box. This is what you want to see. I used to get excited. Oh my God, that is heavy. It's not even my brother. This is the actual D6. Like I said, I used to get super excited to unbox these because they were mine, and then I'd be like, oh, this is amazing. But this is a D5 that just says D6. Wait, does that say D6 or D5? Nope, says D6. Differences? XQD cards, no longer. CF Express, dual CF Express right there. And other than that, it looks basically exactly the same as what you would have found with a D5. That was one of the things with Nikons. Every time I got a new Nikon, I'd be like, that's it? Wait, that's it? There's nothing really new? Because the menus were always the same, which was a good thing. I'm just trying to close the box. Because the menus were always the same, that was a good thing, and the bodies were very similar, nothing much changed. Like I said, not much has changed between this and the other D5. It's almost like this is what, everybody now? A D5S, which is probably what they should have put on the box. And I really don't know how many people are gonna buy this, especially right now. There's no Olympics, there's no sports, there's nothing going on. I mean, at some point the sports will come back, but do you need this body? Now, I do want to do the wind tunnel test, but I do want to institute wearing a mask this time because it's very important not to get anything on it. So here we go. Okay. Jeez, it's fogging up my glasses. Nothing. Air does not penetrate the mask at all. Sniff test. We're doing it with a mask because safety. Oh, I know what it is. It's got subtle hints of the Nikon D5. They're ever so subtle because it is a D5. Now again, I'm not reviewing it right now. I have to wait for Madeline at Nikon PR to approve me to get one, and she probably won't be happy after I make this video to even send me one. But you guys leave a comment down below and say, Madeline, send Jared the camera so he can test it out. Though I don't know what I will test it out on because there's no sports going on in our area because we're still locked down here up in Pennsylvania. But this is that. Let me cut in here real quick and let you know that the image that you're seeing on the screen right now was taken with the Nikon D5 and edited using FroPack 2. If you're looking to speed up your RAW workflow or give yourself a great starting point, we created 15 all-new custom Lightroom presets that you can check out right now at FroKnowsPhoto.com/FroPack2. While you're over there, play with the sliders because you can see the befores and the afters, and if you decide to pick them up right now, they are currently on sale for a limited amount of time, or if you pick up the FroPack bundle, you can save even more. Now, back to the video. I do have the 1DX Mark III right here to put it next to it. This is very similar to the 1DX Mark II in terms of look. This is very similar to the D5 in terms of look. This isn't similar to the 1DX Mark II because it is a fully functioning, amazing mirrorless camera when you flip the mirror out of the way. I really enjoy using this and I like the quality and the autofocus. And then this is just like, when I do the review, we'll do the comparison side by side so that we could sit there and be like, all right, fine. But these are like the dinosaurs. These are the end of the era cameras. They were the ones that everybody strived to get. But at this point, it's like, I don't know too many regular photographers other than the sports photographers that don't want to graduate yet to the mirrorless and to the RF glass and to the Z glass, which is really good. So it's a basic unboxing and sniff test. There's not much different between the D5 and the D6 to really point things out. All the buttons look exactly the same. The shape and body look exactly the same. This is a little different up here on the top. This is probably where they put the GPS and all of those different types of units. But as you can see, I'm at a loss for words at this point. But I do want to thank Brandon at Allen's Camera for allowing me to bring this back here to the factory to make this quick video just to show you what's in the box, which I actually failed to show you everything that's in the box. So let's go through the rest of what's in the box. We know exactly what's in the box. You've got your charger, you've got your cables, and you've got your battery. That's what's in the box. I don't even want to take them out because I want to leave that there so I can take this right back to Brandon for maybe one of you guys to pick up. Head on over to allenscamera.com/fro to support the store. They're a mom and pop store. They help me, I've helped them, and it's been a great relationship. So what do you want to see me review with this? If we're under lockdown and Madeline does send me a D6 to review, what should we go and use it for? Let me know down below. Thank you very much for watching. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.